What's up YouTube, it's Danny, back with another video, and hopefully I've fixed the microphone feedback that I've been getting, at least lately, if I could speak. Nevertheless, let's go ahead and unbox the GoPro Hero8 Black. Yes, this is the top of the line GoPro, my first top of the line GoPro ever. Usually when I get GoPro, either get the entry model or the mid-range, just because I've never really seen the point of getting the high-end GoPro until now. Thanks to the stimulus check that came today, I paid off 2 credit cards and had money left over, paid cash for this, no credit, cash for this. So very excited. This is the GoPro Hero 8 Black. The selling point for me was 2 things. It's got the Hyper Smooth 2.0 technology. Now, you guys have seen my vlogs over the years, and as recently as a year ago, I actually bought the Sony FDR-X 3000, which is a great camera. I still have it. I'm still going to use it. And it's got some stabilization, but we're going to test this out. I'm actually going to go for a walk. Now, I know COVID is very rampant. That's the right word. Very rampant right now. So I will be masking up, so no worries on that. And I will be practicing social distancing, though I don't really see anybody walking around today in the neighborhood, so it should be fine. But we're gonna test out the Hero8 in natural light with HyperSense. That's what's called, or Hyper Smooth. Sorry, what's HyperSense? That's a different buzzword for a different company, I think. So yeah. So the cool thing about the GoPro Hero8 is they have what they call mods, and I have one arriving on Saturday. It's the mod that allows the other 2 mods to be attached at the same time. So the first mod is a case with a built-in shotgun mic. Very nice. I am then going to get the light, I'm probably gonna put it on the side of the GoPro, on the side here. And then on top is going to be the flip-up screen, which is not out yet, but coming soon. So yeah, so stay tuned for updates on that. But without further ado, let's open up the GoPro Hero 8. I sure like to talk, so let's just open up the package. Now, I don't know if it's because of what's going on right now, but this thing was $100 off. So normally it goes for $3.99. I paid $2.99 at Nebraska Furniture Mart. If you live in the Kansas City area, I recommend that's where you get this, unless you want to pay full price. Now, it's a shame that the mount that displays the camera is not an actual mount. It's just for display. You would think they would include that, but they don't. So, it is what it is. However, I will be saving that, definitely. So it's a screw. If you have a GoPro, you know what it is. It holds it to mount. So, but yeah, this is disposable. So, but yeah, let's have a look at the GoPro. I almost dropped it. GoPro Hero, that'd have been something. I mean, it would have been fine. It's, you know, tough, but still, it's brand new. So there's the front. Come on, camera. You wanna focus on the GoPro, my dude? There we go. There's the front. That's probably the thumbnail. Side. There's the back. The other side. There's the top. There's the bottom. And as you can see, this mount folds out. It flips out. So like that. Just like that. And then you just connect it to the GoPro mount. And I have a lot of accessories from my old GoPros over the years that'll work just fine with this. So yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and set it up and put a memory card in it, and we're going to hopefully have a charge, or at least part of a charge, so I can do a demo without having to charge it. So jump cut, here we go. Okay, so this is how it looks like outside with, I think, HyperSense is on. I'm pretty sure. Okay, now HyperSense is on with the boost mode. So now if I shake it, I don't know what that's gonna look like. It might look weird, it might look not weird, I don't know. So, also this house has been abandoned for longer than I've lived here. And I've lived here 15 years. So, yeah. Let's see, I'm gonna shake the camera, see how it looks. hard to see. But yeah. It's really light. Really, really light. So, liking it a lot. So, it's got linear, wide, and super wide modes. So there are 3 different modes you can shoot with, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Takes micro SD cards, it's got a battery that is removable, which is nice. This is my first GoPro with a removable battery, which is pretty cool. So yeah. Somebody's coming, some head back. Yeah, pretty cool. Battery's dying. It's got 14% out of the box. I have not charged it yet, so we'll do that soon. And yeah, I know, the mask. Anime, you know. So, very cool stuff. But anyway. Okay, so there are 3 modes on this camera. You've got video, obviously, photo, and then time lapse. So, pretty nice. Yeah, I can't wait until the mod comes so I can really like use this thing to its full potential. Cool thing about the mod is to charge it, you just plug it into the side of the mod, because the mod actually wraps around the whole camera. So it acts as a case, and it also adds 2 shoe adapters. So one for the light, one for the screen. That's also an accessory you can get. Those 2 accessories in addition to the mod case. But it just makes it, you know, charging a lot easier. You don't have to open the battery door to charge every time, because I will say the I don't know if it's micro USB-C or micro USB or USB-C. I think it's micro USB. It's underneath the battery door. It actually sits right next to the battery slot. So yeah, not a huge deal. It's just a little bit more convenient with the mod. So apologies for the barking. Everybody in this neighborhood has a dog except me, and they all like to bark. So, but yeah, very happy with the Hero8. I am excited to see the footage. So, what is tearing up? There's a squirrel way up there tearing up a branch for some reason. He's probably, looks like he's making a nest. He's probably a she also. Yeah, I think they're making a nest. Anyway, let's get a few more shots of the outside, I guess.